In the previous part, we explored the foundation of a premium wooden single main door design and understood how balanced detailing can transform a simple entrance into a statement feature. In this part, we go deeper into the design elements, craftsmanship quality, and practical considerations that make a wooden main door truly long-lasting and visually impressive. A main door is not just about appearance, it is about structure, proportion, carving precision, and how well it integrates with your overall house elevation. The right combination of geometric panels, floral CNC carving, and proper framing can elevate the entire look of your home exterior. If you are planning construction or renovation, understanding these details will help you make a better decision for your entrance design. This series by Sanjesh Construction is focused on guiding homeowners with practical insights, professional recommendations, and design clarity so that your investment delivers both beauty and durability.
When it comes to a home, the main door is not just an entry point. It is the first statement of design, strength, and quality. A well-designed main door reflects the personality of the house and the taste of the homeowner. In modern Indian homes, full-size wooden main doors with CNC carving are becoming a top choice because they perfectly balance tradition and modern design. This door design showcases a premium full-height wooden panel crafted with precision CNC carving. The vertical orientation gives a tall and elegant appearance, making the entrance look grand and welcoming. The natural unfinished wood tone highlights the original grain pattern, giving a rich and authentic feel that paint or artificial finishes cannot replace. One of the key highlights of this door is the asymmetrical layout. On one side, clean rectangular recessed panels are arranged vertically. These geometric panels bring a modern architectural touch and create depth without making the design heavy. The spacing and proportions are carefully balanced to maintain simplicity while still looking premium. On the other side, the floral CNC carving adds a soft and artistic contrast. Flowing curves, leaf-inspired patterns, and smooth edges bring life into the door surface. This mix of straight lines and organic curves makes the design suitable for both contemporary and traditional homes. The floral carving is not loud or overdone. It is subtle, elegant, and timeless. Circular rosette elements placed above and below the floral carving add symmetry and visual rhythm. These small details play a big role in enhancing the overall design language of the door. They also reflect traditional Indian carving influences while keeping the look modern and refined. The diagonal curved groove running through the door acts as a design connector. It visually separates the geometric section and the floral section while maintaining harmony. This curve makes the door stand out from standard flat panel designs and gives it a designer look often seen in luxury homes and villas. Another important aspect is the full-size framing. The door is designed to be seen completely from top to bottom, including the border frame and threshold. This full-height presentation is ideal for main entrances because it enhances vertical space and creates a strong visual impact from the outside. Material quality plays a major role in door durability. Solid wood or high-grade engineered wood ensures long life, resistance to warping, and better finishing results. When combined with precise CNC carving, the final output is sharp, clean, and consistent across the entire surface. This type of door design is perfect for homeowners who want a customized, premium entrance without unnecessary complexity. It suits independent houses, duplex homes, villas, and even luxury apartments. With the right polish or finish, this same design can adapt to multiple architectural styles. If you are planning a new house or renovating your existing home, choosing the right main door design is crucial. A professionally designed and crafted door increases the value of your home and leaves a lasting impression on visitors. This is where expert execution matters. At Sanjesh Construction, attention is given to every detail, from design alignment and carving depth to finishing quality and installation accuracy. A door is not just manufactured, it is crafted with experience and understanding of real site conditions. Sanjesh Construction focuses on blending modern CNC technology with practical design knowledge. This ensures that the final door not only looks beautiful but also performs well in real world usage. Proper thickness, strong frame support, and smooth surface finishing are all taken into consideration. Another advantage of working with Sanjesh Construction is customization. Designs can be modified based on client preferences, house elevation style, and Vastu considerations. Whether you want deeper carving, simpler lines, or additional detailing, the design can be adapted without compromising quality. For homeowners who want a premium look without excessive ornamentation, this door design is an excellent choice. It offers elegance, durability, and uniqueness in one complete package. If you are serious about upgrading your home entrance or planning a new build, connect with Sanjesh Construction for expert guidance, quality workmanship, and reliable execution. A well-crafted main door is an investment that adds value for years to come.
A premium wooden main door is not just about design. It is about execution, durability, and the confidence that comes from quality workmanship. As we have discussed in this part, the difference between an average door and an exceptional entrance lies in the details. Accurate carving depth, proper panel proportion, strong framing, and flawless finishing. When these elements are handled by experienced professionals, the result is an entrance that enhances your home's value, strengthens its visual appeal, and performs reliably for years. A well-designed main door creates a powerful first impression and sets the tone for everything inside your home. If you're planning to build a new house, renovate your entrance, or customize a wooden main door design, this is the right time to consult experts who understand both design and construction realities. Sanjesh Construction offers customized main door solutions, quality-focused execution, and professional guidance to help you make the right choice for your home. Connect with Sanjesh Construction to discuss your project requirements, explore design options, and ensure your entrance reflects strength, elegance, and long-term reliability. If you found this video helpful, support the channel by liking the video, sharing it with others planning construction, and subscribing for more main door designs, house elevation ideas, and practical construction guidance from Sanjesh Construction. A strong home begins at the entrance. Make sure yours is built with precision and purpose.